Hi, I'm Samarth Bikki, and this is the landing page of my website. This is my personal website. So, the portfolio web design is pretty much as it looks now. I wanted to make it clean and simple so that when somebody goes onto the page, it'll be clean and you can understand where each of the buttons are and what it does. So, about obviously is the about section that I have made for myself. Experience section leads us to the experience section of what I do. Oh, forgot to mention, this is week one project, which is the website design for Headstarter. These are a few of the projects that I've already done or that I'm currently working on. And obviously you can contact me below. And these buttons work, download CV. This should lead us to the resume website or my personal resume. So that button works. And obviously contact info leads us to an email. LinkedIn leads us to my LinkedIn, and that's my LinkedIn. And this GitHub icon leads us to my GitHub profile, which is this. And obviously this is about me. It looks clean and simple, which is what my inspiration was when I was looking through other portfolio websites. It was just looking through websites and I took inspiration off of a few professional websites, which were just clean, simple, just a singular color or a few colors with pictures in it, just so it can be just so it can look more modernized and more modern. Obviously, the experience section is here, and project section, which is disease classification, stable diffusion, and the feedback board app, which I'm currently working on right now in my own time. But disease classification, obviously, these buttons work. These lead us to the GitHub of the project that I'm working on. It leads us to this, and the others are in my GitHub profile. So those buttons work, and obviously, contact me. It leads us to the Gmail, and LinkedIn again works. And the about experience projects leads us back to projects, and then this part leads us back to experience, and those are all the functionality, and this is the website. And so future plans, I'm currently about to start my first year in the University of Dallas, as mentioned in this website. So I'll be, I don't know, working on college work and as well as this fellowship. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and this is my personal website for week one of the Headstarter Fellowship.